If you're using Claude like this, you're wasting half of what it can actually do. I'm going to show you the 5 mistakes almost everyone makes and exactly how to fix each one in the next 5 minutes. Quick context. I use Claude every single day for work, and when I started, I was making every mistake on this list. Once I fixed them, I got noticeably better answers, faster, with way less back and forth. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Vague prompts. When you ask Claude something broad, it gives you a broad, generic answer, because that's literally all it has to work with. Watch what happens when I add just 3 things: who this is for, what tone I want, and one example of the style. Same topic, completely different quality of output. Mistake 2. Skipping the role. When you tell Claude to act as a specific type of expert, a copywriter, a financial analyst, a fitness coach, it shifts its entire vocabulary and structure to match that role. Look at the difference in vocabulary and structure. Same question, but this one actually sounds like it came from someone who does this for a living. Mistake 3, and this is the big one, treating Claude like a search engine. One question, one answer, done. That's not how you get the best results. The real power's in the back and forth. Ask for a first draft, then say, make this more casual, or cut this in half, or give me 3 alternate versions. Each round gets you closer to something you'd actually use. Mistake 4. No constraints. If you don't tell Claude what to avoid or how long the output should be, it'll guess, and it usually guesses wrong. Adding constraints like under 200 words, no bullet points, or avoid corporate jargon removes almost all the guesswork. Last one, not saving your best prompts. If a prompt works really well, you're going to want it again. But most people just let it disappear into their chat history. I keep a simple running list of prompts that worked well for specific tasks. Writing emails, summarizing documents, brainstorming. Takes 10 seconds to save, and it saves you from rewriting the same prompt from scratch every time. Quick recap. Be specific, give it a role, treat it like a conversation, set constraints, and save what works. Small changes, but they make a real difference in the quality of what you get back. If this was useful, subscribe so you don't miss more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.